From Montreal to Quebec City to Longueuil, public transit users are dealing with strikes or the threat of one. Why is this happening now? In Montreal, STM workers are threatening to boycott overtime for 2 weeks, starting September 22nd. They are warning that could mean service slowdowns. They also held a 9-day strike in June. Maintenance workers joined other STM unions protesting this week outside the Transit Corporation's headquarters.
Ce que l'employeur nous offre en échange de nos demandes, c'est complètement déraisonnable.
But the STM says the union needs to take into account its need for flexibility to deliver services customers need, as well as the tough financial situation it's in. On the south shore of Montreal, RTL bus drivers had to put plans to strike on hold after the province's labor tribunal said their plan to offer essential services wasn't good enough. Meanwhile, maintenance workers at the Quebec City Transit Corporation walked off the job for the 3rd time since May, but they will go back to work after voting to approve a settlement proposed by a mediator. So why are we seeing so many labor disputes? One advocacy group says a new law, Bill 89, plays a big role in what is happening right now. When it goes into effect in November, it will give the government the ability to intervene in labor disputes.
We don't know what's going to happen when this bill will be applied, so it might be the end of strikes for public transit.
Another theory is that public transit agencies are trying to make a point to the province that they need more money.
It is very difficult for them to be running up and efficient and to offer more services when they have to squeeze very tight their budget. We've seen there's some economies can be made, but at the same time, governments spend less and less on public transit.
In the end, Jacques says public transit users are paying the price.
So there's huge impact for people who don't have other alternatives. They can't afford to pay a taxi. They don't have a car.
Trajectoire Quebec is hoping that the government will invest more money in public transit to improve the experience for you, the riders, while unions are hoping their members get a better deal.